Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Good
I
morning,
hope
ma'am.
I hope everybody is typed present in the chat box,
Yes,
and everybody
Ma'am.
read the lesson. Till where
yes,
we have
ma'am.
completed,
Yes,
everybody has
ma'am.
read the lesson. Okay. Now, can
Yes, ma'am.
anybody tell me uh, resources are classified into how many types?
Three types, ma'am:
Three
natural,
types.
human, and human-made.
Very good, very
Types.
good. That means you have read the lesson and understood clearly. That means types of resources. Resources are classified into three main categories. That is natural, human-made, and human. And this thing you have also read about it in class 7th. I hope class 7th में आपने ये natural, human-made and human ये पूरा एक डायग्राम था आपका components of environment करके है ना वो
Yes, ma'am.
एनवायरमेंट के कंपोनेंट्स में आपने वो पढ़ा था नेचुरल ह्यूमन मेड एंड ह्यूमन अब ये रिसोर्सेज के अकॉर्डिंग हम पढ़ेंगे तो रिसोर्सेज में भी रिसोर्सेज आर क्लासिफाइड इनटू नेचुरल ह्यूमन मेड एंड ह्यूमन नाउ अगेन नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज व्हाट आर नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज
Resources that are drawn from nature.
Resources that are drawn from nature and used
resources that
without
we
इन
get from
much
nature,
हाँ
ma'am.
गुड गुड गुड
are called
हाँ
natural
इन योर
resources.
ओन वर्ड्स बेटा यू कैन डिस्क्राइब इट फ्रॉम योर ओन वर्ड्स
Ma'am, resources that we get from nature for
यस
no value.
Yes, good resources. Those resources which we get from the nature, they are called as natural resources, and we use those resources, those natural resources, without making any changes in it. That is called a natural resource. So, in your own language, also you can make it. समझाने के लिए. Then these natural resources are again divided into how many categories?
Two parts,
Two.
ma'am, renewable and
Renewable.
non-renewable.
Yes. How many categories? Renewable and
Two.
two categories,
Non-renewable.
renewable and non-renewable.
Non-renewable.
Now, who is going to tell me about renewable resources?
मैम रिन्यूएबल रिसोर्सेज वो होती है मैम जो अगर एक बार खत्म हो जाती है जल्दी से वापस बन सकती है.
Can you explain me in English, beta? In English?
Ma'am, renewable resources are the resources which we can get.
quickly.
Which we can get uh, quickly. After finishing of those resources, those renewable resources can be get back quickly. जल्दी से वापस हमें मिल जाती है. We can get those renewable resources.
that get end for a while but can be renewed quickly.
Yes. Yes, yes. Then what about non-renewable resources?
Resources and
Yes.
that are in a limited stock and renewed after 10,000 or 5,000 years.
Yes. Those resources which are limited means which are limited that means उनका stock जो है the conservation of those resources which are limited that much only we are having in with us and they get exhausted और जब वो खत्म हो जाते हैं then it takes many years to get it back हमको वापस मिलने के लिए बहुत 1000 years चाहिए वो वापस चीजें मिलने के लिए एंड ह्यूमन लाइफ स्पेन से भी ज्यादा मीन्स अगर आज आप छोटे हैं अगर आज कोई रिसोर्स नॉन रिन्यूएबल रिसोर्स अगर खत्म हो जाता है देन कैन वी बी एबल टू गेट इट बैक जस्ट नाउ ओनली इन आवर लाइफ टाइम अभी हम
No,
वापस से
ma'am.
देखने को मिलेंगे नहीं अब
No,
फिर हमें
ma'am.
देखने को नहीं मिलेगा बट हमारी बाद की जनरेशन्स को मे बी पॉसिबल कि हमारे बाद की जो जनरेशन आएगी उनको वापस से वो रिसोर्सेस मिल सकते हैं ठीक है ना रिन्यूड होंगे तो so now then we have also understood about the distribution of natural resources. The distribution of natural resources is based on what factors? Which factors?
Climate, altitude, terrain.
Yes, the main physical factors which are responsible for the distribution of natural resources ये जो नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज प्रेजेंट है हमारे नेचर में, ये अलग अलग जगह पर अलग अलग चीजें क्यों अवेलेबल है, अलग अलग जगह पर अलग अलग नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज क्यों अवेलेबल है, एक ही जगह पर हमें सारे रिसोर्सेज क्यों नहीं मिलते, कोल भी, पेट्रोलियम भी, गोल्ड भी, सारा एक ही पूरी पृथ्वी पर, पूरा अर्थ पे एक ही जगह क्यों नहीं अवेलेबिलिटी है, जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ द डिफरेंस इन द फिजिकल फैक्टर्स। फिजिकल फैक्टर्स, वो कौन कौन से फिजिकल फैक्टर्स हैं? टेराइन, that is, what do you mean by the word terrain?
Height, temperature, and area.
Yes, what do you mean by the word terrain?
Temperature.
No, terrain. Type of,
Area.
type of area, या we can say type of land. किस टाइप की वो लैंड है, whether that land is uh, uh, type of plateau, plain, valley,
Ground.
हाँ
Ground.
हाँ, वो किस टाइप की लैंड है, प्लेट्यूज है वहां
Type of
पर, या
soil.
हिली एरियाज है, या किस टाइप की है? एंड देन क्लाइमेट मींस विच टाइप ऑफ क्लाइमेट इज दैट, is it very hot climate or it is very cold climate, or moderate climate is there, neither too hot nor too cold, or altitude, at what level the height of that particular area is. So all these physical factors are responsible for the distribution of different natural resources on earth. Clear? The distribution of resources is unequal because these factors differ much over the earth. So ये हमारे पृथ्वी पर हर जगह climate, land और height अलग अलग है. That is why these natural resources are also the availability of these natural resources is also differ from one area to another. Now then we have also understood the meaning of stock of resource. What does the word stock of resource means?
It is the amount of resources available for use.
Yes, stock of resource means the amount of resource.
Of
What
resources.
amount? कितना हमारे पास resource available है हमारे use के लिए, that is called as stock of resource. Now coming to human made resource. This was all about, we have read about what? Natural resource. We have read about natural resource. This is natural resource, first type of resource, that is natural resource we have read about. Now the second type of resource, that is human made resource. This is the second type of resource. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now sometimes natural substances become resource only when their original form has been changed. Now when these natural resources or natural substances, some change occurs in these natural substances or natural sources, then they become the human made resource, then only they are important, they become important human made resource. Clear? Iron ore was not a resource until people learned to extract iron from it. अब iron ore important resource नहीं था पहले. It was not an important resource for us until people learned to extract iron from it. अब वो जब तक लोगों ने iron ore से, iron ore क्या है? एक तरीके से raw iron. आयरन और क्या है? रॉ आयरन, कच्चा आयरन जो है वहां से हमें जो आयरन निकाला है, then only that iron is useful. The iron which is extracted from the iron ore is more useful for the human beings. आयरन ore से ज्यादा क्या यूजफुल है? आयरन, because it is extracted by human beings. From where? From iron ore. Clear? Now people use natural resources to make buildings, bridges, roads, machineries, vehicles, and which are known as human-made resource. This all you have read about in 7th standard. Human-made things all are the things which are made by human beings, and the things which are made by human beings are human-made resources like buildings, bridges, and all. And these things are extracted by what? By the natural resource. नेचुरल रिसोर्स को ही चेंज करके, नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज को ही हमारे लिए यूजफुल बना करके उनको चेंज, उनके लिए उनमें कुछ मॉडिफाई करने के बाद हमें वो चीज मिली है, that is called as human-made resource. Technology is also a human-made resource. अब जो technology use करते हैं आज हम लोग, scientific technology and all, that is also a human-made resource, because through the knowledge of man, this technology has been created. Technology कैसे create हुई है? Man की knowledge से. So people like us use natural resources to make human-made resources. Now people like us use natural resources to make human-made resources. So how are human resources made? How are human-made resources made? By the use of
By humans.
Natural resources.
and by the use of natural resources. By the use of natural resources only, human-made resources are made. Clear? Said Mona, nodding in understanding. Yes, said Raju. अब Mona has said that कि natural resources को ही use करके we are making the human-made resources, and thus everybody is agreeing on this point of view. Clear, everybody? Then clear human-made resources, from where
Yes,
human-made
ma'am.
resources are extracted. Human-made resources are made by the natural resources, by the use of the natural resources only. Now, human resources. This is the third category. Third category of resources, that is human resources. People can make the best use of nature to create more resources. Now what happened? People, we the human beings can make best use of nature. हम nature का best use कर सकते हैं. How we can use the nature in the best useful way? According to our needs, to fulfill our daily requirement, to fulfill our needs. We make changes in the environment, we make changes in the nature, and we create more and more resources, और ज्यादा से ज्यादा resources हम बनाते हैं nature को use करके. And how we make these resources? Through nature, through the use of knowledge, by the use of knowledge, by the use of knowledge. Now people make the best use of nature. That means we were talking about के लोग जो हैं वो नेचर का बहुत अच्छा सा यूज करते हैं. Why? Because according to their needs, they modify the environment. They make changes in the environment or in the nature, or according to the use of their knowledge, their ability, their skill. Skill means their ability. They use they make best use of the नेचर का वो बेस्ट यूज करते हैं. बाय द यूज ऑफ नॉलेज, अपना ब्रेन्स लगा करके. उनके पास बहुत अच्छी नॉलेज है ह्यूमन बींग्स के पास, उनकी स्किल्स अच्छी डेवलप्ड है. स्किल मीन्स एबिलिटी टू मेक द थिंग्स, है ना, उनके पास है. एंड दैट इज वाई दे कैन मेक द बेस्ट यूज ऑफ नेचर. क्लियर? क्लियर टिल हियर एवरीबडी? And not only by the use of knowledge, skill, but by the use of technology also. People make use the best way, means in make the use of nature in the best way. I hope it is clear. Now in this diagram you can check it. Crops ruined due to drought. Can I find a solution? Now what happened? Crops ruined due to drought. Drought क्या हो गया? Drought means the natural calamity. सूखा पड़
Ma'am,
गया.
ma'am, when there is no water.
Shortage of water.
No rain. Yes, shortage of water, no rain. ऐसी कंडीशन में क्या पड़ जाता है? सूखा पड़ जाता है. Then the condition is drought arises. Now can I find a solution? Now this scientist is talking to himself or herself, we can say, can I find a solution if crops ruin due to drought? Now that's it. He found the solution, and it's all thanks to the knowledge, education, and skill we could find a solution. Now this is all because of the knowledge, education, and skill. They got the solution to the natural calamity, to the problem which occurred due to the natural calamity. So this is all from this picture we can find it out that humans are interdependent on each other. Then farmers provide food grains to everyone. Farmers say food grains milta hai. And scientists suggest various means to combat problems related to agriculture and improve farm production. and जो scientists है, they only suggest ways and measures and means how they can improve, how the farmers can improve the agricultural production. Clear till here, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now you can
Yes, ma'am.
underline this also. Human resource refers to number, that is quantity, and ability, that is mental and physical of the people. Clear? Human resources refers to number and abilities, that is mental and physical of people. Now, there are differing views regarding treatment of humans as a resource. One cannot deny the fact that it is the skill of human beings, the ability. Skill means the ability of human beings that helps in transferring the physical material into valuable resource. कोई भी physical material that is available in the nature, वो हमारे लिए एक valuable resource बन जाता है. Because why it becomes a valuable resource? Because man modifies, makes changes in the environment, in the nature, to make it more helpful to fulfill the needs of the human beings. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, what is the difference between human-made resources and human resources?
Okay. Human made resources. Human made resources means the things which are made by human beings with the use of the nature. Some changes are made in the environment, in the nature, and then man has modified that environment or that nature according to his own skill and ability to fulfill his requirement. जैसे roads, bridges, uh, buildings and all, these are all what? Human made resources, human beings ने बनाए हैं. And human resources means human beings themselves are the resource. Human beings themselves are the resource. वो खुद अपनी knowledge और अपनी skill use करके कुछ नया resource बनाते हैं. जैसा in the picture we have seen that due to drought the condition was worse in agriculture, no production was there, so the use of knowledge and skill, साइंटिस्ट ने क्या करा, न्यू वेज अपनाए, न्यू इनोवेशन किया. एक कोई वी कैन से कि मेडिकली या कुछ पेस्टिसाइड्स या कुछ तो नया उन्होंने इनोवेशन करा साइंस में कि ओवरकम करा जाए उस प्रॉब्लम्स को विच इज ड्यू टू द नेचुरल कैलेमिटी. सो ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मीन्स ह्यूमन themselves are the type of resource which make the changes in the environment and through their knowledge and skill. Clear? और जो वो
Yes, ma'am.
चेंजेस करते हैं वो ह्यूमन मेड रिसोर्सेज है. वो जो चेंजेस करते हैं ह्यूमन बींग्स, जो चेंजेस करते हैं वो ह्यूमन मेड रिसोर्सेज है. और ह्यूमन बींग्स खुद अपनी नॉलेज और स्किल से नई नई इनोवेशन करते हैं, इनोवेटिव आइडियाज निकालते हैं. That is called as human resource. Clear? Now, due to the
Yes,
skill,
ma'am.
knowledge and technology, they do so. And that is why human beings are a special resource. Human beings are special resource. People are human resource. Who are human resource? You can underline this. People are human resource. Education and health helps in making people a valuable resource. Education and health helps people in making a valuable resource. Valuable resource क्या बनाने में कौन help करता है? Education and health. If people are very much educated, yes, people are very much educated and their health, they are very healthy people. तो क्या होगा? They will be able to make valuable resources. अपने लिए वो नए नए innovation करेंगे, changes करेंगे. Clear? So what helps to make people valuable resource? Education and health. Clear? So improving the quality of people's skills so that they are able to create more resources is known as human resource development. Now this is another thing you can underline this. What is human resource development? Improving the quality of people's skill. Improving the quality of people's skill so that they are able to create more resources, ताकि वो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा resources बनाएं. And that is called as human resource development. people जो है अपनी skill improve करते हैं, so that they can create more resources. In this way, that means they are doing human resource development is being done. I hope till here it is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Wonderful.
ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now the next part, that is conservation of resources, we are going to continue in our next class. Clear? Till then, read it
Yes,
till here and understand. Write once again in the chat box, present. Type once again present in the chat box, and then you can leave the class.
yes, ma'am.
So that's all for today. Thank you.